That's a tight window. Oh, throw that ball and a clutch moment.
Stop, what are you doing?
Okay.
These are all of our ingredients. Jenna, show us all the ingredients.
There's these red
Little pumpkins.
pumpkins that are sour.
And what's this black stuff going to be for?
Frosting. And it like
I know, but frosting. Oh, let me see.
frosting goes right here. That frosting.
Oh, awesome. That's a spooky looking little house right there.
Yeah, and see right here we're still building it. And we
What do you
have
think, Connor? Is it going to turn out like the picture?
Oh, it's gonna be better than the picture.
Oh, okay.
and
We're gonna
it's
mix
going-
it up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's going to taste good with candy corn and all these
Purple balls. Those are like nerds. You know that, right?
and dog bones.
Big nerds.
And dog bones.
Those are little dog bones. Why do they have red stuff on them?
I have no idea. That's the part that.
That's what makes it spooky.
Yeah, because that's pretend blood.
Oh.
And this is like
Bats.
that. Orange.
The Halloween
and black.
colors. Okay. All right. Well, good luck, guys. I'll come back and take some video when it's all done, okay?
Okay.
Okay.